Hey guys, TecTimmy here. So I am excited to be unboxing my brand new Dell XPS desktop. I went with the 8940 model in night sky. Yeah, so in this video, we're going to take it out of the box and show you what it looks like if you're wondering in terms of the shape and size and so forth. And I'll also do a quick rundown of the performance specs. So let's get into it. Yeah, so just to get things off, I'll run down the specs for this particular model of the Dell XPS desktop. So with the Intel Core i7 11700 processor, which my understanding is it's super fast, 32 gigabytes of memory, which is just insane, considering my first computer had 8 megabytes of memory, literally. So this has 32 gig of memory. It's got a 512 gig, just crazy, and plus a terabyte hard drive. So the 512 is the SSD, and then it's got the Intel UHD graphics card, of course. Windows 11, which I'm excited to start using. I'm on Windows 10 right now. It's got a 12-month free trial of McAfee LiveSafe. I don't know if I'll do that. I'm currently running, I believe it's AVG, free version of my virus protection, and I like that a lot. And then, so it also has got a DVD, RW drive, wireless AX and Bluetooth, SD card reader, HDMI and USB Type-C, of course, Realtek HD audio, and USB keyboard and mouse. Yeah, so let's get this out of the box and give you a first look. I'm super excited to start using my new computer here. I've got my Epic unboxing knife, and it looks like we just have this little bit of tape across the top. And yeah, so just a simple unboxing for today. And let's see what it looks like. Dell always does a good job with the packaging. My last few computers have been Dells, and you can't go wrong with Dell. It's just computers are just so well made. So I'm assuming this is probably the keyboard and accessories and so forth, and indeed. So we have our keyboard right here, some documentation, which looks, let's see, oh yeah, so just basic setup documentation. And it looks like we may be able to do a quick transfer from one computer to the other, which is awesome. So hopefully that's what that's about, but we'll get into that a little bit later. And then the keyboard, oops, this looks like it's falling here. The keyboard looks like, let's just take that out of the box here. So basic standard Dell keyboard. I have my Microsoft ergonomic keyboard, and I'll probably stick with that. I also have a Logitech keyboard as well that I like. Power cord, of course. So that guy just sticks in the back of the computer. Looks like it seems to be a decent length. And a basic mouse. This actually, the mouse looks super lame. I'm gonna stick with my my Logitech, I believe it's called MX90, MX something, Logitech mouse. I have a separate unboxing video on my channel if you want to check that out, but this mouse looks super cheesy and cheap. I guess they assume you're just gonna replace it, but yeah, this is completely out of here. See ya. Won't be using that at all. And then, yeah, and then, oh, looks like there's another card in here. Probably just warranty information. Yep, warranty, safety, and regulatory. There you go. You can tell I've done one too many unboxing video in my day here now. And then, yeah, so I'm going to, ooh, it's much smaller footprint than I expected, which is really cool. This is maybe about half the size of my current computer, which I like that. I like that a lot, actually. So I have one of those stand-up desks, and my current computer is sitting under it. So this one may actually need to sit up on the desk in order to be able to reach with have the cord reach with the stand-up. Wow, it's little, in a good way. Yeah, why would you want to have a giant computer? But like I said, I may need to stick this up on my desk because of its size. So right on the front, we have it advertises the Intel Core i7, which my understanding is blazing fast. Got the DVD player, some USB ports on the front, and an SD port that seems to be an audio jack, and then a micro USB. Awesome. What more could you want on the front of the computer? So that's cool. And it looks like, so there's 3 USB ports, which is awesome. My current computer has, I think, 2, and I'm always looking for the 3rd, so that's really neat. Again, I love the small, and yeah, it's little. This is not a huge computer by any stretch. So my last computer was also an XPS model, and twice the size of this, literally. So we have our, again, I believe green is audio. I'm not sure what that one is, and so we have some round jacks on the back. I'm not actually sure what those do. If we just leave a comment down below if you wouldn't, but I'm also gonna look it up in the documentation. And then we have some additional HDMI port, as well as an additional, I believe that's a monitor port there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more USB, and we also have SSD cables, I believe, and a network cable as well, a hardwired network cable. Yeah, it looks like a sweet machine. I am probably going to swap out the graphics card for my current. I have a high-end graphics card right now and a high-end monitor attached to it. Looks like we have plenty of expansion ports here, which is cool, and then obviously the power jack. Yeah, so just if you're curious in terms of the size, as I couldn't find another unboxing video of this guy online here. It's pleasantly smaller than most desktop computers that are out there. The Dell XPS, and yeah, there you have it. And again, like I said, just a simple unboxing video, take it out of the box and show you guys what it looks like. So if you've got any value from this video, if you just wouldn't mind giving me a quick thumbs up, helps out the channel a lot. And yeah, appreciate it. If you're into tech videos and just tech, smart home stuff in general, I realize this is not a smart home product, but I do a lot of smart home unboxings and also tutorials and that sort of thing on my channel. Consider giving me a subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.